It's a nice sedan, Steve. Can we ride in the back? I'm not sitting in the front.
Get the sedan that commands respect. Introducing the dynamic Japanese-engineered Subaru Legacy.
And they came last week and they're like, we have bad news for you. What? Knapweed? No. Dalmatian Toadflax.
My name is Becky Little, and I am the Special Projects and Volunteer Coordinator for the Helen Schuler Nature Center. Tonight, what we are doing with our group of community volunteers is pulling Dalmatian and yellow toadflax from the Nature Reserve. The reason why we want to pull these particular weeds from nature reserve areas is because we don't want chemical sprays within areas where animals are used to grazing on plants, native plants, and if they do graze on areas that have been treated chemically, it can alter the way, not only way the plants grow and affect native plants, but affect digestive systems of the animals feeding upon those. So that's another way that we can protect natural areas, and hand pulling is a great way to avoid chemical use. This particular weed has the potential to produce up to 500,000 seeds per plant. The root systems can spread 10 feet plus sprout daughters every 2 inches along that root system. So it has the ability to attack our native grasslands. What we don't want this to do is spread. So we want to be able to make sure that we pull this as much as we can, as well as other prohibited weeds, so that our natural grasslands have the opportunity to grow as much as possible and flourish. Without native grasslands and populations of native plants, some of our natural environment will be directly affected and also cost Albertans almost $1 billion in funds trying to eradicate them by chemical means, by having them get into recreational areas, and in general just being a nuisance to the population. We certainly don't want our animal populations in Lethbridge to suffer because of this particular weed.